Assalamu alaikum. As you guys see, today I'm in a farm with my sister and his husband. We are in a farm. We are going to, as if maize. We are going to face a maize. So, as you see, my things is on my head. So, we are going to a farm. Let us see. It's a maize that they harvest everything. So, we are going to carry them and put it on the roadside for the car to come and pick it. Okay, so I'm here. Let us see what is going on. So this is the maize. Oh. That's the button lanaway. Kala suka mo bi misiri la. Lan san sa la wora a piye. Ibana ba sama la piye ledi. So now we are finished. We are pack it here. Do you guys see it? So now we have done. So we have to go home. Ejetiria. My sister wants to sweep this place. Oh, okay. We are waiting. When she's done, we now return home. Thank you guys so much. This is the farm. It's too big, but they have finished harvesting the maize. Look at it. They're also here enjoying. We are harvesting the maize. We finished, so we just carried them and we have done. We are about to go home. So look at this cow. She's looking at me. She says she wants the maize. We are going. Hey, I'm about to follow. I'm tired. So many years I don't carry things on my head. I'm tired. So I'm carrying the maize on my head. I'm already tired. I'm tired though. It's not easy. But I'll go. Look at this cow. She's looking at us. Oh my God. Is that could be an arrow pebble? I have an arrow. Wow. My breath. Lala. I'm tired. I'm speaking 3 languages now. I'm speaking my own language, English. I'm tired. Oh. This is the maize. Me shangu. You can't go for any people like you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace. Masalama. We have done. Oh, my bread, it's too much work. But I'm done. So we are going to go home. This is my niece, my sister daughter. So